Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a really delicious, easy, fast breakfast, lunch, brunch, snack, after workout meal. Okay, so I've taken 2 of my Mama Lupa low carb tortillas, 1 point each, with 2 tablespoons of PB2. Yes, 2 tablespoons. Add a little bit of water to make it nice and thick. And some raspberry, let's show you, jam. It's a no sugar added. It's 1 sugar per tablespoon, but I used a half a teaspoon. You really don't need a lot to spread it on thin with a nice sliced banana. If you want to make it fancy, add a little sugar-free syrup, or you could add some almonds or some chocolate chips. And all of this is 3 smart points on Weight Watchers. And super delicious, satisfying, and hope you love it. Okay, talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook. At least 3 days of work with breakfast, lunch, and snack items. So I have my Lilydale turkey meat, and I have my egg muffins. I always bring extra veggies, cucumber, whatever I have in the house. And I made these cute salad jars with cucumber and shredded carrots, tomatoes, and spinach, and peppers are in it as well, red peppers. I have my yogurt and some fruit and a little snack. I have my sweet wheat mustard, and I have a variety of salad dressings at work. A great dinner idea as well is my twice baked acorn squash with sausage. You can use whatever protein, and lots of veggies. Something else to have for dinner.